Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Magene Cadence sensor. First, carefully unbox your new sensor and confirm all parts are present, including the sensor, rubber pads, and zip ties. Next, verify the battery is properly inserted and the sensor shows signs of life, often a blinking light. Finally, identify the best spot on your non-drive side crank arm for secure attachment. This initial preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Now, let's get it mounted. Choose the appropriate rubber pad to ensure a snug fit against your crank arm. Place the sensor with the pad on the inside of the non-drive side crank arm. Use the provided zip ties to firmly secure the sensor, making sure it's tight but not overly stressed. Double-check that the sensor is stable and won't shift during your ride, and that it clears your shoe and frame. With the sensor mounted, it's time to pair it with your cycling computer or smartphone. First, ensure your device's Bluetooth or ANT+ is enabled. Then, give your bike's crank arm a few spins to wake up the Magene sensor. You should see its indicator light flash. Your device should now detect the sensor. Select it from the list of available devices to complete the pairing process and start tracking your cadence. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try replacing the battery with a fresh one or restart your cycling computer or phone. Sometimes, interference from other wireless devices can prevent pairing, so try moving away from them. Remember to keep yourself hydrated during your rides. Staying refreshed is key to performance. For an excellent water bottle and other fantastic deals, be sure to check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.